dental practice owners have been hammered during the COVID-19 pandemic. If not fully closed, only open for emergency services, plus staff and other issues that arise. The good news is there are solutions. We are in contact with all of our dental clients throughout the United States and have tabulated all of the successful actions that are being applied to get dental practices back in business, organized, cleaned, and sweeping up loads of new business. This is no time to play around. There are people out there that need dental help, real emergency situations. We've tabulated information from the CDC, ADA, OSHA, and other sources to ensure you have the best compilation of references and materials to get you back on track. In addition to that, we are also offering a absolutely complimentary public relations, marketing, and communications evaluation. These are the 3 key points that need to be addressed right now. So you can jump straight to the bottom and fill out the form or read as you wish. We look forward to hearing from you, and we look forward to helping you through the other side. Have a great day.